We began feeling as good as It's still very hot. Not me. This. Is it visible, the smoke? Or I made this for my throat because it has some kind of discomfort and barbed wires inside. So I guess I'm doing this now. It's just lemon and honey. And also I have had a bowl of cereal. Not exactly this size, but more like this. That's why I took a bit of a break. Because something's missing. Just give me a second. Back to the street where we began, feeling as good as lovers can. Where was I? I took a bit of a break because I realize now, after making already couple of hundreds of these things, it's just now that I realize that it's nicer to give my mind some kind of space before jumping to another story or reflection or insight or whatever it is that my mind decides to translate into the human language. But then we always learn new things. And it's just strange to me that I haven't realized this sooner. But then again, I also see this a lot with how, in general, humans operate. They've been doing something for years, and then one day they realize something, and then it alters their approach forever. So it's not as surprising, maybe, because I have seen it happen to others, and I have seen it happen to myself a couple of times as well. I feel like the Mad Hatter, having this I feel like a fictional character. Am I real? Do you think I'm real? Or am I just a figment of my own imagination? Maybe I am. But it's fun in here. So I guess I'm gonna continue existing like this because it's fun and interesting and yeah, it's fun. It makes the world bearable. So I will continue existing like this. I may not make sense to everyone, or not everyone, but I may not make sense to other people, but at least it keeps my feet on the ground. It keeps my body here on earth. So I'm gonna continue existing like this. I got straight again. And yes, I checked the blinking thingy. And I was supposed to talk about Irish Terriers. Because there is this place that I go to once a week. And there are 3 Irish Terriers there. There are 3 of them. And also different ages. There's the youngest one, there's the middle one, and then there's the old lady Irish Terrier. Oh, I'm not sure if she is a she or he is a he, but I'm just gonna call her she. Lives in daydreams with me. Because calling her or him an it doesn't feel right. It feels like calling this is an it, something that doesn't have a soul or feeling. This is an it. But if I call the dog it doesn't feel right. I feel like I'm murdering him or her. So I'm gonna call her she. And I wanna speak about them, because they make me happy. I'm not sure if I have something in my teeth. I'm sorry, I just used you as a mirror. Sorry. They make me so happy. They make me so happy because they are always happy to see me. And I am always happy to see them. So whenever we meet, it's like shing boom. Everything just feels right in the earth. And the youngest one, I didn't know that Irish Terriers are like that when they are young. It feels as if they're operating on fast forward. It's like something. I wonder how it's physically possible for her to move like that. It's so fast. Like see, if I move like that, my head hurts now. My head hurts now. But her, she's always when the door opens, she's like what is that? I don't know what it is, but I like it. And she's so cute though. She's so cute. And then the others, the elder is so chill. So chill. The middle one is also the middle chill, but they're always there when the door opens and you see them emerging from wherever they're coming from. I wonder how it is with the young Irish Terriers. How can their head handle such thing? They move. It's so fast. It's so fast. I don't think if I'm not sure if I have seen some kind of dog that it because I've seen an excited dog before, but that's the first time I have seen such expression of excitement. It's as if the I'm a bit scared for the joints. But then eventually, once she has said her way of hello, she will fade out. But then she can also come back. But the eldest, she's just there. She may not have that kind of energy anymore, the fast forward energy. Because she's visibly old. You can see the hair and the eyes. The eyes, they remind me of the eyes of my grandma. Not sure what it's called. There's some white rings, something there. But whenever I look at her and she looks at me straight in the eye, I feel a connection there with the eldest Irish Terrier. She's so cute though, even if she's old. And I feel a connection with the three, but the most and the strongest is the one on the eldest, the connection. She's just there, and sometimes she follows me around also. Like yesterday, when I was leaving already. Sorry, my throat is hurting. Yesterday, when I was leaving already, she was just there as I was putting or fixing my things and putting on my winter sort of gear. She was just there, and whenever I pass her by, I always touch her on the or somewhere, but mostly on the. Also, do you realize how good this feels? Even if you're not a dog, when someone does this to you, it's so, even if me, I know that it's my hand. Even if I do this to myself, something. It's just, yeah, I feel like my heart is warm now. But yeah, she was there. It's as if she was speaking to me through her eyes, and I was also there. I'm also speaking to her a bit in my own language. I don't speak Swedish, but because I can hear her, the people she's living with. They speak Swedish to the dogs, and I don't speak Swedish, so I just spoke to her in my own language, and I hope she understands feelings. Because the feelings were there, it's just that the words are not something that she's used to hearing, maybe. Oh, I can do this now without the help of the saucer. just there, and I hugged her. I always hug her in the middle one because they're the most chill. I feel like if I hug the youngest one, there's gonna be eventually some blood on my lips or something, because I'm sure she will get so excited. Maybe her skull will hit my... But the chill dogs, the older ones, I always hug them whenever I'm the only one there in that place. And they don't try to... They just accept the hug. So in my brain, I'm like, well, since they don't show any signs of get away from me, human, they probably like it also. Because sometimes they really follow me around, especially the middle ones, or the middle one and the elder one. Sometimes I will be surprised because I'm not the owner, but then I will be surprised that they're suddenly there. And of course, whenever they're there, I cannot resist. I just pet them, even just for a bit, said hi, and then I'll go back to my whatever it is that I'm doing.